Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are trying to replace the battery of this JBL Xtreme 2. Okay, so as you can see, we have a JBL Xtreme 2 here, which is not working currently. So if we try to power it up, we'll just do like that. And there you go, it turns off, right? So after a bit of troubleshooting, it is like big chance that it is the battery of this speaker that is malfunctioning. That's why today we have purchased a replacement battery here, so we can try and replace the battery on our JBL Xtreme 2. Let's check it out. So it comes with tools, so it can help us replace our battery on the JBL Xtreme 2. There's some glue here, and here's our battery right here. So there you go, the model number is for the Xtreme 2, and it's rated at 7.4 volts DC at 5200 milliamp per hour. So now that we have the battery, first step is to remove the mesh cover on our JBL Xtreme here. So we'll start at the bottom, right where it joins in the middle. So we can use the prying tool here, or anything that can help us open up the cover here. Okay, so whatever tool you have there, prying open this mesh cover, you can use it. So that is the first step we will do. There are two screws in here, one on the right and one on the left. So we gotta remove those first, so we can remove the mesh cover completely. So now that we have removed the two screws, we can now continue removing the entire mesh cover of our JBL Xtreme 2. So here is the battery compartment of our JBL Xtreme 2. We have 6 screw heads to remove, so let's start unscrewing them. Let's go. There we go, we got the 6 screw heads out of the battery compartment here. So we should be able to open our battery compartment now. So let's go. So there's our battery here, our old battery rather. First remove the rubber seal here. So you see the white rubber on the perimeter. So just remove it so we can place it again later. Now we can remove the battery completely. So right here. So there's the battery terminal. So push that pin, the white one, so it will release and we can get our battery out. So that's the one. So we just push this lock here from here so it can release the battery. Okay, so there's our old battery here, and that's our battery terminal right there. So now we get our new replacement battery and we put it in. Okay, our new battery here. So first we insert the cable here or connector to our battery terminal there. Just how the old battery was connected. So there's just one way this would be going in. So you cannot go wrong with this one. It's just easy. So it's this way. The lock is on the top here, there, and we insert it like so. There you go. Battery is inserted. Let's place the battery this way. Just how our old battery was placed. Get the rubber seal here and we put it the same way we saw it earlier when we took it out. Of course, the rubber seal is for safety. The battery won't get wet. There we go. Now we close the lid like so. And we put the 6 screw heads we removed earlier on our battery cover. There we go, 6 screw heads in. So now we are going to place the mesh cover back on. There we go, we put the screws back in. The first 2 screw heads which we have removed on the right and on the left. So there you go, we got both screws in on the left and the right. Now we should be able to continue to cover up our entire speaker with the mesh cover. So there we go. We got our mesh cover back on our JBL Xtreme 2. You just need a little bit of finagling so it will be back on its snug fit on the speaker here. So let's see if our replacement battery works now. So let's power it on. So we see that it doesn't turn off now, and we can probably pair onto it and use it as usual to play our music and watch movies. There you go, guys. As you have seen, our Bluetooth speaker here from JBL, the JBL Xtreme 2, is now working. So what we would do now is we have to charge it to 100%. We can now use it again on the daily. Since we have a brand new battery installed, it should work now for a longer time before we change it again. So I hope we have helped you, even if a little bit, showing you how to replace a battery for the JBL Xtreme 2 using a generic replacement battery which we have shown you earlier. So if you have comments or inquiries about replacing the battery of a JBL Xtreme 2, please leave a comment down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, and get notified once we upload another one of our tech reviews right here as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.